Okay, before I go ahead and do the piping, to kind of stabilize this, what I'm going to do is take some of this extra cake that's going to go in here anyway, that we saved from earlier. Can even fill in this area a little bit. Would be a little high. A little more of the buttercream. So I'm just making sure that I have more buttercream right up against that to support it, and then the fruit will support it even more, but I don't want it falling or anything before I get the fruit in there. I want it moving around once I pipe on it. Okay, so for this we're going to do it pretty easy here. We're just going to take the tip and we're just going to zigzag it across. Okay, then we're going to use this again. We'll go across this way. Should do it this way so you can see better. Okay, then we'll take the tip again, and on the sides just take it and pipe straight up. And then the other side. Alright, sometimes you can't really see the underside too much, but on this one I can. So I'm just going to take a little bit of buttercream and just spread it underneath. And then come back and make sure you blend these sides again. Okay, looks like it's a little off, so I'm going to wait till I get fruit in there, and then I can still kind of adjust that and have the fruit make it stand up the way I want it to. Keep that cake just in case I need it. Let me move this out of the way. And we'll get some fondant out and start the fruit.